Some very slippery road conditions developing across parts of northwest Minnesota and the Red River Valley here as we take a look at a Department of Transportation plow photo taken moments ago near Highway 59, on Highway 59 off to the west of the Thief River area. Roads covered, and because temperatures of the road surfaces are so cold, some ice underneath the layer. Here's a look at Grand Forks on I-29, and certainly we have reports of icy roads in that area as well as some sleet moved through that area this evening. Here's a look at the radar, and it shows all snow. Remember that radar beam pointed up at a little bit of an angle. There's a layer of warm air just above the ground, above freezing as a matter of fact. So even though it looks like a snowflake to the radar up in the sky, as it falls through that layer of warm air, it melts and becomes liquid. When that falls down to the ground, that makes some travel trouble. Temperatures here above freezing along the South Dakota border, so the radar showing rain gradually changing over to sleet and a mix of precipitation where you see the pink from Oaks through the Lemoore area and into southern Barnes County. So travel westbound on I-94 could also be impacted with some very slippery conditions. The DOT report for Cass County showing the western reaches of the county having some covered roads out there, and also north on I-29 as you go through the central Red River Valley. That's where the heaviest band of precipitation has shown up. It's pushing through Crookston. It's pretty tricky in that area too along Highway 2, looking at the DOT activity there. So for this evening, right now, Fargo-Moorhead fairly quiet, 29 degrees, a south wind at 3 miles per hour. And a look across the region showing temperatures that are in the 20s. That's below freezing, so those road surfaces mighty cold no matter what falls on them. Things will be slippery. Temperatures at or above freezing, mainly from Valley City and Jamestown south through the James River Valley. Here is a peek then at your hour-by-hour forecast. As we go from now through the 10 o'clock hour, we're going to continue with our chances of snow and mixed precipitation, heavy at times. By bedtime tonight, we'll see most of it changing over to snow as temperatures fall. Notice as we go through the overnight, this quickly exits, and that's good news. It's a fast-moving system, but it still could leave between 1 and 3 inches of snow, mainly from the central Red River Valley into the Cheyenne River Valley and portions of northwest Minnesota, including Thief River Falls, Red Lake Falls, out towards Crookston. You could have a little bit of shoveling to do. The morning, cloudy, but starting out fairly quiet. Watch for patchy dense fog, temperatures around 20 degrees. And then as we go through the afternoon hours, yet another wave makes its way through with another wintry mix. It's late tomorrow when this arrives in the Red River Valley, so another drive time impactful system that will leave some light measurable snow mainly, but also the chance for some ice. Temperatures still near 30 degrees, so it's that perfect temperature for slippery conditions. Heading into the evening, this slides into western Minnesota with the snow potential there. Another inch to 2 inches of snow pretty easily. For tonight through midnight, winter weather advisory where we could have some of that mixed precipitation causing icy roads, and because of all the fog and that stable lower atmosphere, air quality problems all the way into Traverse County in Minnesota. 21 to start your day, temperatures slowly ramping up through 30, and then another late day chance of mixed precipitation for Wednesday. Temperatures generally in the upper 20s to low to mid 30s as we go through your Wednesday. Here's a great photo sent in by Tom from East Grand Forks. What an awesome photo there. Some sunlight through that back window. Here is a look at your forecast after we get through these couple of weather wiggles. It looks like a cool one, but dry on Thursday, and then the warming trend for Friday. Game day, 38 degrees, 41 to begin your weekend on Saturday. Sunday, we cool off a pinch, but at this point now, the weekend is looking drier than yesterday.
Get over a couple little bumps here, and then we're okay.
Yeah, give yourself extra space between that vehicle in front of you.
All right, thanks, Saj.